What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I will be showing y'all some hot clearance items that y'all can get at Dollar General. Yes, I said Dollar General. They are having a clearance event this weekend, y'all, and it was lit today. I found all types of goodies and I can't wait to show y'all. But before we jump into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. If you are watching and not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free. And to all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, thank y'all for being loyal and returning, because y'all know I keeps it coming. But y'all, we are about to get into these clearance items. I guess I will give y'all UPC'S so y'all can punch them in on y'all Dollar General app to see if they are clearance at any of y'all stores, because every Dollar General is different. Some might have something on clearance, some might not. Y'all know how it goes. So let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here are some of the clearance items I found today, y'all. Yes, I was searching, y'all, but I went to two stores, and some of the items was basically marked down low. Some of them that I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna let y'all know. But for the most part, everything y'all seeing is clearance. But I did find two penny items in the process, and it's these little yellow dot hair accessories, and her is the UPC on that, and that's only if y'all would want to get this or something. I don't know, but yeah, penny items. Okay, we are gonna start off with the Unstoppables Fusions. They were $2.60. They was $5.20, and her is UPC on that. And then y'all, I'ma go through these, but if I'm going through too fast or whatever, y'all can always pause the video and okay, y'all, I got two of the Downy Unstoppables Lush, and if you look at the ounces, they are two different ounces, but they are both $2.60. They was $5.20, and I'm assuming they have two different UPCs. So this is the UPC for the 8.6 ounce, and then for the 7.8 ounce, we gonna have a different UPC as I expected. Okay, y'all, now the Downy Balance, they were $3.13. Original price was $6.25. And here is the UPC on those. Then the Downy Odor Defense, it is 9.1 ounce. It was $3.37, and the original price was $6.75. Okay, now I got two of the pet odor. They were $3.37. Original price was $6.75. And it's crazy, y'all, because I scanned a single can of one of these $4. But the double value pack cans are $3.37 on clearance. I hurry up and snatched up these cans, and it was the last two too. Okay, y'all, on the Nivea, this is a new item to the clearance event at Dollar General. This, y'all, I was so happy when I found this. These was $2.15. The original price was $4.31, and we have a $2 back, y'all. And you can use it up to 5 times. So you already know what I did. I got $10 back on my Dollar General app for purchasing these. And I submitted to Ibotta, but they try not to give me my $3 back, saying that something anyway. Okay, y'all, like I was saying, I submitted a ticket to Ibotta, and I'm going to try to get my $6 back for the extra 3 that I didn't get the money back for on Dollar General. Now, this brush right here is a studio selection brush, 90 cents, y'all. And it was $1.80. Then I got these chocolate chip muffin mix. They were 45 cents. They was 90 cents. And that's what I got so far. So for all of these items, y'all, if the clearance event wasn't going on, I would have paid $94.65. But really, the total was $45.79, and I got $10 back, so it made it $35.79 for all of these items that y'all see right here. Now, I'm going to be showing y'all some more items. So let's get into these other items. Okay, y'all, here is the other clearance stuff I found, y'all. Let me turn these around. Okay, let's get into some prices. As y'all know, the 5-pack Airwicks are $5.40. They was 10. We have a $2 digital, making them $3.40. And y'all, I just noticed today that they got Airwicks out like this. But you gotta be careful because at the top it'll have 4. So the new Airwicks got only 4 refills in them, not 5. So the ones that say 5 at the top is the ones that are gonna be on clearance. And y'all don't need the UPC to those. Cause the only thing you gotta do in the app, you can search Airwicks, and these should pop up when you search it in the Dollar General app. Okay, y'all, I had got 2 of these Downy 12 packs. They are $2.47. And let me give y'all the UPC, because I know people love laundry items around clearance time. And y'all, that's basically what I be looking for: toilet paper, towel paper, paper plates, laundry and cleaning stuff, and air fresheners. That's about it, and I'm pretty sure everybody else does too. Then got these Gain Blissful Breeze 14 count. They were $2.03. That's the UPC to those. What's next? The Game Flings 24 count fresh water sparkle, and you see the 24 right there. They were $3.37. Then the Tide Free and Gentle, it is 31 count. I got 2 of those. They were $4.47. And y'all, the store I went to that got these, she had pulled them all out from the back, y'all. It was boxes and boxes of these. But I bet if I go back tomorrow, it's probably not going to be nothing left. I should sneak and go back today. But I really want to wait for the 5 off of 25 to happen so I can save some more. Then these charcoal cleansing wipes, it's the Studio Selection. They are $1.41. Then the Tide Simply with Oxy, I got 4 of those. They were $1.57, and they are a 13 count. And see, y'all, that's why we don't be really finding nothing or nothing during the clearance times, because the stores be harboring stuff in the back, y'all. They be having all this stuff in the back, and that's why we can't never find it. Then I had got 3 of these. It's the Tide Ultra Oxy 23 count. They were $4.47. And I didn't find no bigger detergents. I wish I would have though. But I mean, I can't complain. I am happy with what I got, y'all. I'm not even gonna complain, because this is the most good detergent during clearance time that I have got in a while. Usually I probably get 1 or 2 of these, probably 1 of these, something like that. But to get all of them at one time, y'all, that is absolutely great. So I'm not even gonna complain, and I am really appreciative of this. So let me show y'all these last clearance items so we can close out this video. Okay, y'all, here are the last items I had got today, y'all. And these were at a good price, so I just went on and picked them up. The Angel Soft was $6.35. We have $1.40 coming off, making it $4.95. The Dixie paper plates, they it's one they got 44 in there and one they got 54 in there. They were $5.95. We have 2 coupons, so be careful which one you clip. One is for $1, and it will make these $4.95. And then the other coupon is for 50 cents, and it will make these $5.45. So, in one of my apps, I did make the mistake of clipping both of these. So, in my other apps, I had to clip the dollar ones and leave the 50-cent ones alone, because once you clip a coupon in the Dollar General app, you will not be able to unclip it. Then I got some True Living toilet paper, 12 equals 24 rolls. It is $5. We have a nice dollar coming off, making them $4. And y'all, Dollar General usually doesn't give $1 off on their paper plates, towel paper, and toilet paper. So whenever they give $1 off, I'll be sure to use that coupon a couple of times. So y'all, that is the stuff that I got that was basically on, I would say, on sale, not actually clearance, but still a low price. Let me know, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you will not miss a video, y'all. Y'all keep on missing these videos, missing out on this clearance if y'all want to. Because if y'all not snatching it up, somebody else is going to snatch it up. But I'll be trying to give y'all the heads up so y'all can run and go grab this stuff before it's all gone, y'all. Well, y'all, I guess I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.